Are you planning to appear for IIT JAM entrance in the coming year? Do you think you are well prepared for it? Come, join our IIT JAM crash course program, which is available at a very affordable rate. Hello guys, welcome to Cheenta School of Statistics and Data Science. We are here to introduce our IIT JAM crash course program. Let me tell you what do we offer. In this course, you will get live classes, mock test discussions under which you will get 3 subject-wise and 7 full-length mock tests. And these mock tests will be available with no additional cost. Along with these, you will also have problem-solving classes for mathematics, probability and statistics. Come, join us for a trial class by clicking the link in the description below. You can visit our website www.cheenta.com and explore more of our courses. We welcome you to join our community and prepare yourself for IIT JAM entrance. We wish you all the very best for your preparation. Thank you.